Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark Mechanical, and I'm going to be showing you how to create an interesting vase with the polygon tool. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up Design Spark. Go ahead and create a new design, and then we'll change it to the plan view by clicking that eye icon. Now we're going to come over here to the polygon, and we're going to do a 5-sided polygon, 24 millimeters, 6-sided. Sorry, 6-sided. Okay, so what we're going to do here, go ahead and spin this, and then we're going to pull this from both sides. So check the both sides and just do 12. 12. Is 12 what I wanted to do? Yeah, 12. I'm going to do 12 there. Now we're going to go ahead and select that solid, and then we're going to go to move, and then we're going to hold down. Well, actually, we don't have to hold down control. We already did a copy and paste, and we're going to spin that. Actually, undo. Let's go. Hold down a control key. I'm going to turn this one here 90. Enter. Then we're going to go ahead and go back up here and grab this one. Hold down a control key. Now we're going to spin this 45. So just go ahead and move it and then put 45 in there. And then we're going to go get that one right there in the middle. We're going to hold down the control key and we're going to move it the other way. Actually, hold on a second. Let me go ahead and spin this. Let's go this way. Go ahead and get that one. And then we're going to go to move, hold down control, grab that green, and then we're going to rotate that 45. And then we're going to spin this. So this is going to be our shape. Now what we need to do, since we've created so much geometry, we need to select the top one, hold down the shift key, select all of them, and then come over here to combined. Give it a second. And now we're going to go spin this. We'll do a shell in here. Let's do 0.5 millimeters since this is small. All right. So this is going to be our base. And then what we can do is go ahead and go to pull. We're going to select all of these down here. And then come over here to chamfer. And we're going to add a little chamfer to the bottom of that. All right, this is going to be our vase. Interesting little three-dimensional 6-sided polygon shape that we created with a series of extruded polygons, and then we shelled the top 0.5, and then we added a chamfer to the bottom. All right, that's going to end the tutorial today. We'll go ahead and view this in the trimetric. Actually, it's better the other way, as you can see the opening. Go ahead and spin this. Okay, this would be good. This is a nice little vase. You could print something like this out and drill some holes in the bottom, or you could just put the holes in the bottom now. So, you know, you have a vase that you can grow something in, but I'm going to use this more as like a vase to put flowers in or whatever, and then you don't have to worry about the water leaking out. Okay, this is going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got some useful tips out of the video. As always, thanks for watching.